Good morning. We are the company FS Agrotechnologies by FS Group Consulting, and we are going to show you our products, the Hydroball. Have you ever wondered who are the ones who change the world? We're going to tell you that story today in this presentation. The goal of the Hydroball is in looking for a problem and in engineering a solution. The whole process had to work under the paradigm of innovation. And innovation is only if it takes into account its real application, its arrival in the market, and its encounter with the client. We wanted to make a great product that will change the world for better, and we did. What's the problem that we have identified? Water scarcity is a threat to our world, and 70% of the world's freshwater consumption is used by the agricultural sector. Excessive irrigation leads to a waste in natural resources, the destruction of ecosystems, and contamination of water for human consumption. Plus, as much as 50% of the water we use outdoors is lost due to inefficient irrigation methods and systems, according to the United States Environmental Protection Agency. What's our solution? We have developed a wireless system that, with a dual sensor, measures the moisture in the soil and the tension with which the land retains the water, that is, the amount of water that is available for the plant. The data obtained informs the users when and what amount of water is necessary to irrigate. With a beautiful and compelling design, the combination and disposition of the sensors is completely innovative. Plus, the patent is registered in Spain and in the United States. The user experience will be that of a premium product, starting with the unboxing experience itself. But why now, you may ask yourself? In a world where a common and basic research, such as water, is becoming increasingly scarce, we needed to find a solution. There was no time to wait. In the past, water had been an abundant natural resource, and its scarcity had never even been considered. But now we find a very different panorama. It's time to make water available for all again. The market, we could say, is waiting for our product. The technical advantages of our product will make it outstand in the agro sector, while its design and practicality will make it compelling even to particulars. Having no competition in market and offering a low-cost product, the market potential is legendary. Let's talk about competition. The sensors that are currently being used are big and inconvenient. They require the first-hand action in order to make the measurements, and while the Hydroball provides real-time, accurate, and high-quality measurements that will allow for an automatized irrigation system. The Hydroball stands high above its competitors. For the business model, we developed a value proposition canvas, studying the wants, the fears, for the customers, and studying all the benefits that our products can give. A team of software engineers, material engineers, designers, investors, universities, and other public and private agencies are working hard to make the Hydroball a reality. Fernando Sarria, founder of FS Agrotechnologies and creator of the Hydroball, has assembled a team of very competent and purposeful people that can change the world. Fernando Sarria, our CEO, Amaya Auriz, our COO, Sergio Arte, our CFO, and Miguel Ángel Campo Vescos, the PhD agriculture engineer. We're developing this project with our private owned resources, grants from public institutions and private investors. The budget of the project is of 600,000 euros this year, and for 2021 there is a budget of another 600,000 euros. The Hydroball will help us to reduce water consumption in huge amounts. This will account for great economic benefits for the agro industry and the creation of a better world, in which water is not so much of a scarce resource, but a common life-improving factor even for the most impoverished people in the world. We will create a better future for all. And have you ever asked yourself, who are the ones who change the world? I would like to quote our CEO, Fernando Sarria, when he said in a very inspiring speech that only those who are able to keep dreaming and to project their dreams are the ones who change the world. And that is what we did with the HydroBall.